Hey, good morning, gentlemen. This is Richard from the Onward Men Podcast, a podcast built specifically for high performance men that want to grow in income and impact and fulfill your God given mission. And today, guys, as always, I am fired up. It is Friday, and every Friday is what I call Money Friday because money and finances are important, gentlemen. How you utilize your money, how you grow your money. I had a mentor once tell me, he said, "Hey, Rich, most people don't know how to make money. Even fewer people know how to keep money, and even fewer people know how to multiply money." So how do you make money, gentlemen? How do you keep money? And then how do you multiply money? That is the secret sauce. And today, I'm going to give you some powerful tips, gentlemen, on Money Friday on how to multiply your money, how to increase your income, right? And it comes down to one word. One word will change the game for you if you utilize it. And that is the concept of leverage, right? The key to making more money, guys, is not working harder, right? It's not working harder. We know plenty of guys that you probably know plenty of guys that work really freaking hard, right? Maybe they're in construction jobs. Maybe they're working round the clock and they're barely getting by, right? Barely getting by. So the answer is not working harder. That's for sure. The answer is leverage. What are you leveraging in your life to increase your income, right? There's a couple different ways of leverage. You can leverage time, right? How do you leverage somebody else's time to help you and assist you in increasing your income? How can you do one task that really maximizes its impact to increase your income? So one is you can leverage people's time, right? Another one is you can leverage people's skills. Are you leveraging other people's skills? Right? How do you? My mentor always told me. He said, "Hey, man, if you can pay somebody $20 an hour or less to do something for you, and that'll help you increase your income because you're paid on a higher hourly rate. Maybe your time's worth 100 an hour, 60 an hour. Well, if you can pay somebody 20 an hour to do a task, then you can leverage somebody else's skills. You can leverage somebody else's abilities to help you increase your income, right? How are you leveraging in your life, gentlemen? Leverage is the key to financial freedom, right? In a business, if you're running a business, if you're not running a business, even if you're an employee, how can you use leverage to your advantage? How can maybe you leverage your boss's time, right? Hey, boss, this is where I'm at. I'm trying to get to here. How can you delegate over to your boss to help you get more things done, right? Because by you getting more things done, gentlemen, you're going to make more income. You're going to make your boss look better because he's getting graded based off of his team's performance. So it comes down to the concept of leverage, leveraging other people's time, leveraging other people's abilities, leveraging other people's skills, resources, and knowledge, right? Are you leveraging other people's knowledge? You don't have to have all the answers, guys. You do not have to have all the answers. If you find somebody with the answers, then you take their answers and you apply that in your life. Now you're leveraging somebody else's knowledge. This is what Oprah did. Anybody, do you guys know Oprah Winfrey? All she did to become a billionaire is she leveraged other people's time, resources, talents, and knowledge, right? She would bring people on her shows that were experts in different fields, and people used to watch Oprah all day long, not because Oprah knew everything. Oprah knew very, very little, but she brought on the experts. She brought on what people wanted to hear. And because of that, she made billions of dollars. And it comes down to leverage, gentlemen. Write that down today. Utilize it in your life. It all comes down to how well you are leveraging in your life. Great business people, great business minds, they know how to leverage. People that make tons of money, they know how to leverage. People that make and keep and multiply money, they know how to leverage. And it's one of the primary principles in building wealth, gentlemen. It is not working harder. It is not working more hours. It is not working around the clock. It is not any of those things, guys, because let me ask you a question. You're working hard right now, aren't you? And are you making the kind of money that you want to make? Sure, you could put in 10 more hours a day if you wanted to, but is that really going to help you make the money that you want to make? Probably not. You're probably going to have to start leveraging. Okay. So, with that being said, guys, I hope this podcast helped you. I hope it gave you a new way to think, because if there's anything that I want to do for you guys, I don't want to give you just another blueprint, another different behaviors, another set of tactics, another set of skills. I want to show you, I want to teach you, I want to help you think in a new way, to give you a new, fresh perspective, so that way you can come up with your own answers. You can come up with your own solutions. But if you're thinking the right way, gentlemen, about your finances, if you're thinking the right way about how to multiply your income, then there's nothing that's going to stop you from getting there. And today's concept is leverage. Are you leveraging? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you're listening to the podcast and what you thought about today's episode. And this podcast, this episode, guys, is nothing without your input, is nothing without viewers. So I really appreciate you guys. I want to help you go to the next level, and I want to help myself go to the next level in income and impact, and also my God-given mission. So with that being said, gentlemen, enjoy your Friday. Have a great time this weekend. Utilize your weekends to make a maximum impact in this world, and realize that one man at a time, we can change the landscape, guys. Men need to step up. Men need to become leaders. Men need to do more for their wives, for their households, and it starts with you. So we're out, gentlemen. I hope you dominate and always move forward. Peace.